Today I'm talking about a life-changing journey that could be just as good for your wallet as it is for your health. But first, let's start with something we all know so well, our daily hydration. We're walking around most of the time dehydrated, not realizing how important water truly is. You see, our body needs it to function properly, and feeling sluggish or tired might just be a sign that we need more water. So today, I'm going to take you through 3 days of a simple yet effective hydration reset that could change the way you feel. Day 1, first up, is waking up and drinking 1 full glass of water before anything else. Yes, even before your coffee or tea, just pure water, no sugar added. This first sip wakes up our body in a way that's refreshing and alerting. Why it works? After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, we're already on dry ground, so this kickstarts your hydration before you start the day. Day 2, on the second day, keep up with that morning glass and add in just a pinch of sea salt. Remember, water plus salt equals electrolytes, which helps your body better absorb it. Skip all those sugary drinks like soft drinks or juices, as they'll only dehydrate you further. Day 3, and on the third day, continue this routine with a pinch of salt. Set up a reminder for yourself every 2 hours, half a glass at each interval. This simple step can significantly improve your energy levels and reduce that afternoon slump. Day 2, David, who lives in Manchester, saw his headaches disappear within months by drinking just water. He says he never had a headache since day 2. And the best part, completing these 3 days can even reduce afternoon fatigue up to 40%. That's just amazing, right? Ready to give this little challenge a try? Click on the link in the description. Alright folks, thank you so much for sticking with me today. Remember, hydration isn't just about water, it's part of our daily journey to feeling better and healthier. Stay tuned for more tips on how we can make little changes that lead to big results.